Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphone Soundcore A25i on your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store. Now go to search, click on search line and write Soundcore. Now click search and you should install this application. Now open it. Allow, agree and continue, skip. And we did it. Oh, and allow here. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!